In this video, we are going to see how we can password protect our Excel sheet or Excel workbook so that we can restrict the unauthorized access to a specific sheet tab or to the file as a whole. Let's see how we can easily do this. So here in this example, I have this Excel file which contains these 3 sheets. So first of all, let's try password protecting a particular sheet, that is sheet number 1, journal ledger closing. So if you want to protect this, click on the file tab and click on the info, and here it says protect workbook. So let's say instead of workbook, we want to protect the current sheet and we want to password protect it. So let's set a password which is 1234, and we want to protect the worksheet and contents of locked cells. So the user can only select the locked cells and select the unlocked cells, but he won't be able to insert rows, format cells, or make any kind of changes. All of them are unchecked. Click OK, and then you re-enter the password to proceed. Click 1234 again, and now let's try making any kind of changes. So as soon as I try to change anything, it shows that you are trying to change the protected sheet to make sure unprotected sheet, and you might request or enter a password. So we are unable to make any changes to this sheet. Let's try it on other sheets, and other sheets are perfectly unprotected. So this is how you protect a specific sheet. Now, if you want to protect the file altogether so that user needs a password even to open the file, you can easily do that as well. Click on file, click on info, and here we can also encrypt with password. So 1234, but just make sure to read this caution that if you lose or forget this password, it cannot be recovered because it is encrypted. It is advisable to keep the list of passwords, their corresponding documents, at the safe place. Remember that these passwords are case sensitive. So if you're sure about that, click OK, and then you re-enter the password. Make sure you don't forget this password because that is very important. Click save, and then we close it to try. I have this file on desktop, and as soon as we open this, it even needs access or password to open the file. You won't even be able to open the file without a password. So once we enter the password, we should be able to see the screen, but still this specific sheet is protected. So that's how you can protect your file and workbook in Excel. Click on the info, and you should be able to remove the password by clicking on unprotect 1234, and you want to remove the password for the encryption as well. Click on encrypt and just remove the password from here. Click OK and click save, and let's try it again. Click save, and now there is no password on the file or workbook, and there is no password on this sheet as well. So that's how you can protect the workbook or worksheet and also unprotect the workbook and worksheet in Microsoft Excel. Just try this by yourself, and I will see you in the next one.